Somota. Kastom Somota.
Name lo mi Numalin Mahana. We come out lo village Pikangian, lo White Town, Tanna. Mi one field worker, lo Vanuatu Cultural Center. Network lo field worker. Hemi consists lo all man mo all woman throughout lo Vanuatu. Work kita if lo kopak lo community, lo ngol kita mo find them out. When I'm now, when I'm value now, when I'm important something now, emi support lo lose. Lo one community plol kata, area plol kata, mo island plol kata. And work plol kata lo scale mo look se emi important lo life lo people, and only must work lo revive and back. Only must encourage them all community lo take him back. All thinking all same. All thinking all same language and traditional knowledge, kakai, protection. All same all tapu fashion, blokem boost, blokem solwata. So all thinking ya, I come out lo all national workshop lo all woman all man field worker. And then topic he come out lo place there. The system he confirm. Then mi fala ko pak lo one community lo mi fala mo start lo make him research. Se mi look service that today pula pa sickness hemi stop come attack him all man mo all woman, but especially now all mama. So lo mi look say on something we hemi very important lo life lo all mama hemi kakai. All mama everyone only so professional lo fashion lo planam kakai, fashion lo preparing, fashion lo distribute equal lo all custom ceremony. All kata only all talk tab lo kakai. Mekam say mi focus more lo kakai from ipin kat one time we lo 2003 topic plehe mi kakai. The place mi pin mi start. Then time when mi fly ko pak lo following year mi haram no good from mi no pin make him enough research plehe. Make him say mi come back mi focus more lo kakai. Mi pin work all thinking here on my own, and time when mi custodian we to malol fala. Hemi all same research now. We find them out say yes. Full up people you me and full up only go finish. Full up only dirty stuff were only very important. Now the point where why now me take him up kakailo place from when me been sick. Also me been sick and we find him say me admit lo hospital colo operation, then me all family only no been one time. We been one time find him out ways from me save heal. And through lo kakai now me heal lo place. Through lo kakai me alright lo place. And going back lo community to community, me stop talk about all experiences from me no more. Through lo sickness, through lo hard time when me been faced them. And then me got chance to plus have go out. All friend lo me only take me go out. Me sit down lo big for a meeting. Me discover and full up something where me been stop making lo backyard. And me been think say me alone. But me got some family around the world. But me feel got same thing. Lo revive and back all values. Mo make me walk. Mo lo make me feel like promote. Mo make me walk lo life lo all man place. So that's the way me come. Me focus more lo kakai. Time when me stop go through lo kakai, me find them full of interesting something. Kakai have me connected with him custom calendar. Kakai have me connected lo all season where you miss have same you me go sit down from you me school lo classroom. Kakai have me contribute big one lo all custom ceremonies lo you me from where without kakai custom ceremony lo you have me empty, have me no balance, have me no heavy. So please now me focus more on him and ask me stop traveling go. All people only find them out, say me start make them work here, and then only come lo pakai mi plantain now, me pakai plomi, come lo nar pala kolik plomi, all man field worker, with all woman field worker, and all pala plomi lo all community, all pala mama, all pala papa from all time all thing you must balance. All mama only been stop work, lo revive and pack all traditional recipes, and all papa too only come along, only stop give hand lo mi pala plante. Lo all talk, lo all advice, all kita too only revive and pack some thing where only been walk about lehem throughout early life long all kita. Nara pick something when me come across me custom respect. Custom respect me contribute pick one lo how you handle them kakai, how you plan, how custom respect me walk inside lo life lo you, lo home lo you, lo community lo you. Custom respect, you first of all you must have say you who from you already got that respect within you, and you must have say respect lo you towards yourself, your husband, your wife, and all picking inside the home lo you. How custom respect there you walk, and then me flow out you go on our members lo family will only live around lo you, and then he flow you go out. Example, suppose me got that respect, but suppose me not think heavy to lot that respect. Me woman nothing. In time when me go out lo field, suppose me want to sing out to more mama lo lika, me will a story about kakai, all recipe, all fashion lo work, all type of lehem. No, me man nothing ya, me woman nothing ya. By all mama live right lo me from where me lose some custom respect within inside lo me.
Siet, ino ini siet, me first question no yet, you answer lo one year right.
Oh.
Okay. You want them you talk about pakan one talk to isa kami site ika two kind development one way come out lo solo tay kam monara one way come out lo France and you want to sabi elaborate mo lo please.
Also lo earlier interview lo mi talang finish everything ika told to road lehem. Time when you me talk about slow food. Ikat opposite lehem we hem fast food. When I'm now slow food, he make him lo you. When I'm now fast food, him stop make him lo life lo you. Okay, pa you me go inside more. Because him you me sabi say slow food, him is slow, but him is slow block kill. And fast food, him fast block cooking, be him fast food block destroy life lo you. Hemi this shape you. Hemi make him body blow you in a stomach where you been born low ya. By make him bell blow you hang. All man only sabe pull head quick, all mama only handicap, all papa only handicap. And then I hemi result of fast food. And you miss sabe ko molo di daily. Pepa from where you miss stop talk about full up something. By you me call slow food. Slow food. Fast food, you know, sabe how only process them, how many ingredients only put them together, plus sabe make them one thin fish, or plus sabe make them one thin meat. You know sabe nothing. From you know go look. More you know sabe said fish we come colotin, he come all same on him. How he go, how long him stop lotin, custom way you pay him after you kakai. Pay, lo side lo you me do lo slow food. You sabe every process play him. How you put them look around, what time you go take them out, what time you cook them. And time when him you go inside, him make him big fellow walk play him inside. Lo earlier talk lo me pintalam say, kakai emi also one medicine too. So time when him go inside, you put in right one. I mean make him big fellow walk inside. Him make them potty blow you, him clean up inside blow you more. Him make them good fellow walk. Okay, you may come lo week you may been talk about two system back again where two kind yet. Hemi two kind development. Time when me stop work, you go along me discover him too. So you got two kind development. Development yeah, one me stop put them all same say One with salt water, you stop wash them, ikam so. And then you stop pick them up down low salt water. After you karamikam, you make use lehem. Number one development now, crown hemi give him. From crown hemi mama blow yumi. Mama blow yumi, hemi give him narvala development where every something hemi straightforward namo. According to structure, more according to law plehem. You communicate with them environment around them. You go under the mountain, you talk lo every something. I blow you, if fast lo all tree, all flower, or something, yeah, only stop giving you message. Hemi also unwritten message. He come to you where you stop look, you stop finish.
People mo inari masan ni kapun ite. Rea kampren ni mai ne wa korara we siro I paying the masan. We si mai ne wo. Ip. Ira to mai ne uro masan.
Okay, got some small let them yeah. Gonna have small plastic inside.
Kapilipinan sa may nari na tayo. Iba, sa may nari na ikini kapilipinan na yun eh.
आपके बनन भाई नारी से नहीं मैं तामा
You try and feel the difference. You stop pakai salt, sorry. Listen, people
Okay, kalau belum kau timi bisa membagi mi, paisa mau dikai sama nak kayu, okay?
Tuh ini. Satu niau.
Angkat lagi, angkat. That's why you got one piece no more. You have a full taste.
So Mike, tell me, how's the slow food?
Very good. It was wonderful to watch it being cooked, and now even better to eat it. Thank you to all the mamas who did this.
Why Mr. Luke? And Mr. Tantan him. And Mr. Tantan why is that Luke? Who is hosting by me for the market? Okay. Lo hosting lo yumi. By hemi all of them stop.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, everyone sasakaman. 1, 2, 3.
Kasira sira manyen donaren mil mwe termenam yaven mwe ai mwe ai.
Pamisingan di village segura hip hip.
Oh yeah.
Hip hip.
Kasira sira